Hello everyone, it's the media here. This is a follow-up to the first video that I made on Nano Dimension. If you have missed it, please consider going to the first video and watch it again so that you understand why I'm so bullish on selections made by ARK Investment and Cathy Wood. If you like similar contents such as this and the ones that I've made before, please consider subscribing to the channel. I've mentioned that I have bought into the idea of 3D printing back in 2013 with a company called CIMT. So I was so excited to know that ARK Investment have taken a vested and serious interest in the company. So after making the first video, I went in and started to look at their charts a little more. I wanted to see how much they own, when they first started to invest, and how much. So according to the charts, ARK Investment started to invest in this company this year, and they spent $3,000 at the price of 1.97 on August 14th. And then they continued to buy every week, but at around $10,000 to $15,000 each time. The first significant chunk was not invested into this company until October 2nd at $2.36, and they dropped $500,000. And then they dropped another $4.4 million when the company was at $3 on October 30th. And then they dropped another $5 million when Nano Dimension was at $4.43 on November 20th. The last big purchase occurred on December 18th for $1.3 million at the price of $7.15. They continued to buy until Christmas Eve at the price of $8.81, although it was only for $188,000. So as you can see, they are quite committed to this company. And the more that I look at the chart, the more bullish I become. So as of right now, ARK Investment owns about 4.6 million shares. So on Monday, definitely I would try to look for an entry point. I think if it goes down to $8, I would definitely make an entry point. Great if it goes down to high sevens. I hope you find the information helpful.